Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to receive payment from Fiverr. Firstly, go to Fiverr's website and log into your account. Click on the Sell In menu at the top of the page. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Earnings. Click on your Available for Withdrawal balance to view the amount available for withdrawal. Select the payment method you want to use for the withdrawal, like PayPal, bank transfer, Fiverr revenue card, etc. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then click Withdraw. Double-check the details of the withdrawal and confirm your request. The processing time varies based on the payment method you chose, then Fiverr will process your withdrawal accordingly. And that's it guys. Fiverr may charge a processing fee for withdrawals, so check the fee structure before withdrawing. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.